You know, X-Max is a special kind of magic. It's a glow of little lights, the warmth, and the cozy home, the smell of something sweet baking in the kitchen, and the feeling of being together with the people we love. But sometimes, in the middle of all the X-Max preparation, we forgot to slow down and enjoy the moment. The holiday season, let's do something different. Let's create something beautiful. Let's use simple pieces of little fabric, old things, old printed fabric. You can use a little imagination and a lot of love. Make something beautiful. Let's use something beautiful fabric, printed fabric, and denim fabric. You can whatever you have, you can use. You can use beautiful materials with them. You can Let's use some simple pieces of fabric, a little imagination of love, make something beautiful because creativity doesn't always begin with the expensive material. Sometimes it begins with something as simple as a leftover piece of fabric. Look at the piece of fabric. Perhaps it is leftover from an old project. Maybe it has been sitting quietly at the drawer, waiting for another purpose. But today we are going to give it a new life. We will turn something simple into a beautiful holiday decoration. And while we create, let's remember something important. The goal is not perfection, the goal is to enjoy the process. Every fold, every stitch, every little piece we place is part of the story. One day can become very busy. Crafting is mindfulness movement. One day can become very busy. There is always something to do, somewhere to go, or something to think about. But crafting gives us permission to pause. When we hold the fabric in our hands, we can pay attention to its texture. When we choose our colors, we can notice how they make us feel. When we sew, glue, fold, or decorate, we can focus on a small step at a time. There is one way creativity can support mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply about bringing our attention to the present moment. We don't have to make our minds completely empty. We don't have to be perfect at it. We can simply notice that we are doing and enjoying the perfect moment. So today, don't worry about finishing quickly. Take your time, enjoy the fabric, enjoy the colors, enjoy creating. So I want to tell you about something beautiful story. Imagine a quiet winter afternoon. Outside, the air is cold. Inside, X-Max lights are glowing softly. A small basket sits on the table filled with fabric scraps, ribbons, buttons, lace, and old pieces of craft material. Instead of throwing them away, someone decided to give them a second chance. A piece of red fabric becomes part of X-Max decoration. A little piece of lace adds softness. A ribbon brings a festive touch, and an old button becomes a tiny detail and then makes everything feel so special. Piece by piece, something beautiful begins to appear, and suddenly those little scraps are not just scraps anymore. They have become part of X-Mix. So let's begin. Now let's begin. Start by choosing the fabric you love. There is no right to wrong choice. Choose color that remind you Christmas, winter, warmth, and happiness. You prepare the pieces. Now arrange them before attaching anything. Move them around. Choose colors that remind you of X-Max winter warmth and happiness, coziness, and mindfulness. Cut the fabric carefully and prepare the pieces. Now arrange them before attaching anything. Move them around. Try different combination. Let your creativity guide you. Maybe you want to add less. Maybe some ribbon, maybe buttons, pearl, jute, or small decorative pieces. There is no strict rules here. Creativity is about discovering your own ideas. As you work, notice how the simple materials slowly transform. Something that won't look ordinary is becoming something completely new. That's the beauty of handmade crafts. Creativity is not only about making beautiful objects, it's about expressing yourself. It teaches us to experiment. It teaches us that mistakes can become new ideas. A piece doesn't fit. Try another way. That color doesn't look right. Change it. Sometimes doesn't turn out exactly as planned. That's okay. Sometimes the unexpected result becomes the most beautiful part. And this is something we can carry beyond crafting. We can learn to be patient with ourselves. The holiday season doesn't have to be about having the most decoration of the biggest accessory. Sometimes the most meaningful decoration of the ones made together are the ones made together. Imagine sitting around the table with family. Everyone has a simple piece of fabric. Something is cutting, something is sewing, something is choosing ribbons, something is laughing, and someone is simply watching and enjoy the moment. Years later, you may not remember every decoration you bought, but you may remember the afternoon you spent creating something together. There are the memories that make a house feel warm. Before throwing away old fabric, take another look at it. Could it become a X-Mix ornaments, a festival wall hanging, a table decoration, a little lift bag, a stocking, or perhaps something completely different? One of the most wonderful things about crafting is that there is always another possibility. A leftover piece can become something useful. Something old can become something beautiful, and something simple can become something meaningful. And now, our holiday craft is complete. Look at what we created from simple piece of fabric. It may not be perfect. That's exactly what makes it special. It was created slowly. It was created with imagination, and most importantly, it was created with love. So before you finish, take one more moment. Look at your creation. Notice the colors. Notice the little details. Remember the time you spent making it, and allow yourself to feel proud of the creativity you put into it. So this expects give yourself something that cannot be wrapped in paper. Give yourself time to create, time to reset, time to be present, time to be loved, and with your family. Time to appreciate the little things, because sometimes the greatest holiday gift is not something sitting underneath the X-Mix tree. Is a special moment, the creative idea, the handmade memory, and the feeling of being together. So take your old fabric, bring out your ribbons and buttons, turn on some X-Mix music, and let your imagination create something beautiful, because every little piece of fabric has a story waiting to be told, and every creative moment can become a beautiful holiday memory. Happy holiday and happy mindful crafting. Create, time to reset, time to be present, time to be loved, and with your family. Time to appreciate the little things, because sometimes the greatest holiday gift is not something sitting underneath the X-Mix tree. Is a special moment, the creative idea, the handmade memory, and the feeling of being together. So take your old fabric, bring out your ribbons and buttons, turn on some X-Mix music, and let your imagination create something beautiful, because every little piece of fabric has a